Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine at your home. शिक्षणशास्त्र महाविद्यालय संगमनेर B.Ed second year 2020-2021. My name is Shital Sachin Gite. Today I am going to teach you English subject. Standard 6. Students, today is the age of competition. People are constantly struggling to survive in the age of competition. For that, you have to plan everything. When planning, we think about how much time to give to each competent and we plan accordingly. Time plays is a very important role in all human beings. So it is important for everyone to plan their time. Teachers also have to plan their time. For example, yearly planning, monthly planning, weekly planning, daily planning and every session planning also. That's why teachers also wants to plan. So students, today we are going to learn one new poem. The name of this poem is Time. This poem is written by Christina Rusty. Who this poem is written? Christina Rusty. Now everyone open your first see this picture and tell me what is this? Very good. This is a clock. Can you tell me why we use this thing daily? Yes. Very good. A clock is a device to measure, keep and indicate time. The clock is one of the oldest human invention. Meeting to the need of measure intervals of time shorter than the natural units, the day, the learner months and the years. This device is very important for all human beings to looking time. That's why clock is very important for everyone. We use daily this thing. Yes, no? Good. Now everyone open your book. Page number 54. Okay. 3.1. The name of this story, this poem is what? Time. Everyone look at your books. Keep your finger on your book. How many everyone listen this poem? Listen carefully, okay? How many seconds in a minute? How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shore. 60 and sun and shore. How many hours in a day? How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? How many weeks in a month? 4 as to sweet moon runneth. 4 as the sweet moon runneth. How many months in a year? How many months in a year? 12 the among make a clear. 12 the among makes clear. How many years in an age? How many years in an age? 100, say and sing. 100, say and sing. How many age in the time? How many age in time? No one knows the rhyme. No one knows the rhyme. Everyone, do you like this poem? Now listen, everyone, again read it, this poem. Okay, very good. See the first stanza. Everyone, look at your books and see the first stanza. How many seconds in a time? 60 and no more in it. See, this poet says, Christina says, how many seconds in a time? How many seconds in a time? Yes, there are 60. How many? There are 60 seconds in a minute and no more in it. Okay. Now next is next stanza. Second stanza, everyone, look at your book. Second stanza. How many minutes in an hour? How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. Poetry says what? 60 for sun and shower. How many minutes in an hour? Yes, there are 60 minutes in an hour. Next stanza, third stanza, everyone. See, how many hours in a day? How many hours in a day? Tell me answer. Very good. 24 hours in a day. In 24 hours we can work and we can play. Okay, we can work everything, we can play in hours. Okay, next stanza, how many days in a week? Now students, tell me how many weeks, how many days in a week? Very good. There are 7 days in a week. There are how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Which are they? Yes, very good. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Last day which? Saturday. Yes, Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. In 7 days we both to hear and speak. Hear and speak. Okay. Next stanza. How many weeks in a month? How many weeks in a month? Do you know how many weeks in a month? In a 1 month? Yes, there are 4 months in a month. There are 4 months in a month. Next stanza. How many months in a year? How many months in a year? Very good. There are 12 months in a year. Do you know which are they? Which are they? Yes, very good. Thumbs up. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and last month December. Thumbs up. Very good. There are 12 months in a year. Next stanza. See the next stanza. How many years in an age? The poetry said, how many years in an age? How many years in an age? Do you know, everyone? Yes, 100 years in an age. Our life is 100 years. Okay. Next, last stanza. See the last stanza. The poetry says the last stanza. How many age in a time? How many ages in a time? Who will know in this question's answer? Very good. No one knows. Okay, no one knows how many years in a time. टाइम को कितने years है किसी को पता है क्या? नहीं. No. No one knows the rhymes. Okay, this poem is written by Christina Ricci. क्रिस्टीना रिस्टी ने ये पोम लिखी है. उसने क्या किया है इसमें? टाइम के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन ली है. ओके, इन फर्स्ट सेकेंड के बारे में उसने बताया, आफ्टर दैट मिनट्स के बारे में, आफ्टर दैट आवर्स के बारे में, डेज, वीक, मंथ्स, ईयर एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? हाउ मेनी एजेस इन द टाइम. ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर किसी को भी नहीं पता. किसी को भी नहीं पता ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है. व्हाट, हाउ मेनी एजेस इन अ टाइम. हाउ मेनी एजेस इन अ टाइम. टाइम को कितने एजेस से पता है क्या? नो वन नोज. किसी को भी पता नहीं है. ऐसी ये पोएम है. एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड दिस पोएम? होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड. यस ना? ओके, नाउ I will ask you some questions about this poem. Okay, everyone understood this poem. Now tell me answer about this poem. Okay, first question, how many minutes in an hour? Who will give me answer? How many minutes in an hour? Very good. There are 60 seconds in a minute. How many minutes in a how many minutes in an hour? 60 minutes in an hour. Your answer is correct. 60 minutes in an hour. Next question number 2. How many days in a week and which are they? Who will give me answer in this question? How many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. How many days? 7 days. Which are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and last day Saturday. Means 7. Count किए सबने. How many days? 7 days. 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Very good. Now next question. Question number 3. How many months in a year? How many months in a year? Who will give me answer in this question? Thumbs up. Very good. There are 12 months in a year. How many months in a year? 12 months. Which are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and last month is December. Count किए सबने. How many? There are 12 months in a 1 year. Okay. Now my last question is, how many years in an age? Do you know how many years in an age? Okay, very good. 100 years in an age. हमारे एज को एज कितना है? 100. ओके, यस, 100 years का एज है. Very good. Now next, write rhyming words in the poem. In this poem, already you learned this poem. rhyming words. Tell me first rhyming word. Hours. Hour. Yes, very good. Shower. Hour. Shower. Hour का rhyming words क्या है? Shower. Next है day. Day. Yes, very good. Play. Day. Play. Next three. Week. What is the rhyming words of this word? Week. Week. Speak. Week. Speak. This is rhyming words of week. Week. Speak. Next is year. Year. Yes. Year. Clear. Next age. Next word is age. Age. Sage. Age. Sage. And last word is time. Yes, everyone knows rhyme. Time, rhyme. This is a rhyming verse on this poem. Hour, shower, days, play, week, speak, year, clear, age, stage, time, rhyme. Everyone write this verse in your notebook, okay? Now open your notebook and write homework. Write down homework. Write all the words related with time from the poem. टाइम के रिलेटेड कौन कौन से वर्ड इस पोयम में आए हैं, इस राइम में आए हैं, वो तुम्हें ढूंढ कर मीन्स सर्च कर कर लिखने हैं. ओके, एवरीवन राइट ऑल द वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू टाइम. विच वर्ड्स? minutes, hours. For example, minutes, hour, day, week, month, year, age. This is related to time. This word is related to time. Okay, everyone done assessment? Everyone write down this homework. Tomorrow I will check this homework. Okay, everyone you like this poem? Yes, very good. Everyone take care, do study at home. Okay, chalo, bye bye. We will meet next session. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.